Doon na natin pag-usapan kung ano mo, di ba? Hindi gawin sa'yo sa bill.
Kahit isang text, wala ako natatanggap. Hindi ko alam kung mafe-feel ko talaga ngayon. Sobrang parang...
Rocky, right?
Yes.
This is our first.
Kanino galing?
This.
Seriously? Seryoso siya doon?
Yeah.
At halika nga dito, bakit parang may nagigitara pa? Yeah, ako. Seryoso pa talaga kayo?
Hi, babe. Can you believe it? Andito ulit tayo. Yung saan tayo unang nagkakilala? 5 years ago. I never thought of something like this before. I just thought it would be best that I change this new year. Para sa atin, para sa'yo. Itong balloon na to, wala to. It just symbolized kung gaano kita kamahal. And for the 5th time, I want to ask you, would you be my Valentine's?
Of course!
This song's for you, baby. 'Cause I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate our time. It's sure this